Hello everybody! Yesterday, Daily Grace published a collaboration video with her brother, Tim Helbig. There was two different versions of the video. One was the original, the other was edited. Slightly edited. Both of the siblings were drunk as fuck, as it was Christmas. What Tim said was quite peculiar, and it was edited out on the later version. He said it was the second to last Daily Grace video, and in turn Grace herself shushed Tim Helbig into silence. But that was just drunken talk, right? Right? As far as November goes, it was publicized in an online article that Grace Helbig is in feuds with My Damn Channel about who owns the rights to Daily Grace. Both parties have negotiated and renegotiated the terms, and the negotiations have turned out fruitless. Fruitless! One fellow partner on My Damn Channel, who has also severed ties recently with My Damn Channel, is Shannon Coffee, known from Coffee Chat. Over a week ago, she posted a video on her random ass girly channel explaining what the fuck is going on with Coffee Chat. And it turns out she can't own any rights to Coffee Chat because of My Damn Channel. She was very upfront about it. She said she walked away from the channel and discontinued Coffee Chat and simply just stopped collaborating with My Damn Channel, mainly because she can't own any of the content uploaded to Coffee Chat channel. And going back to the online article which talked about this feud, in it entails why Tim's comment was removed, edited out in the first place. We are also told that in the final days approaching 2014 that Grace is prohibited from annotating or driving traffic off of the Daily Grace channel and onto a new or the old Crazy Age in a Box channel. Now, isn't that peculiar? Tim's comment has certainly made people look around them. Some have also subscribed to the Crazy Age in a Box channel as of yesterday. But all of these things point out one thing. Grace Helbig might just walk away from Daily Grace because of this horse shit. Daily Grace has over 2 million people subscribed to it. Over 5 years worth of videos out of her touch, having no copyrights to it just because she's affiliated with my damn channel. It is a solution, but either way, Grace Helbig is getting fucked in the ass. And that's not nice. Will today be the last Sexy Friday? Or is this just a hoax? Have they reconciliated and re-agreed with my damn channel? It is highly unlikely. If the article is correct, we will see something happen in January 2014. My damn channel, more like my damn former channel. You have been hazed.